A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Learning letters is so easy. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for jump. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nose. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.
Oh, let's play and learn together. It's fun for you and me. With toys so bright and colorful, there's so much we can see. Counting shapes and letters, there's something new to try. Let's play and learn together. Come on, give it a try. Stack the blocks up high. A, B, C, oh my. Colors, shapes, and letters, they reach up to the sky. Find the perfect shape, it fits into the hole. Circle, square, or triangle, we're learning as we go. Counting beads on the abacus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With numbers bright and colorful, it's fun to count and thrive. The piano lights up as you play a tune. Let's make music together, morning, night, or noon. Let's play and learn together. It's fun for you and me. With toys so bright and colorful, there's so much we can see. Counting shapes and letters, there's something new to try. Let's play and learn together. Come on, give it a try. Spin the globe around. Where will we go today? Learning about countries in such a fun new way. The puzzle's full of letters. Can you